Breathe in and step back 6 centuries into the heart of the Byzantine Empire. This is the Virgin Hodegetria, a rare bilateral icon painted in the early 15th century. Look closely at the weathered wood and faded gold leaf carrying generations of prayers. In Eastern Christian art, Hodegetria means she who shows the way, as the Virgin Mary gently points toward the Christ child. Being a bilateral icon, it holds sacred paintings on both sides, used historically for holy processions. If this moment of sacred art brought you peace, subscribe to ZoomArt for more daily contemplation.